Hello everyone and welcome to Macula Design YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn new update of Adobe MD format for February 2020. If you are my subscriber then you already know that I made a lot of my content in Adobe MD. So I decided to keep my viewer update with Adobe MD and inform what's new in this month's update. If you are watching my channel for first time or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon in order not to miss any future video. In February 2020, Adobe MD gets smaller update, so without further delay, let's get started. The first new feature we have in Adobe MD February 2020 update is voice control support for Mac OS. This update allows you to access MD design and prototyping features using dictation and voice commands. In order to enable voice control on Mac, you need to go to your system settings. Under Accessibility, there is voice control option. You can enable it and then you can use voice control feature in Adobe MD. Moving forward, the second new feature we have in Adobe MD February 2020 update is the heart shape. This feature allows you to create heart shape using the polygon tool. Simply type /then and then number 3 in this field and your polygon will turn into a heart. It is very handy when you design an e-commerce website or app, and you can use this shape to show as your favorite icon. The other new feature we have in Adobe MD February 2020 update is the group sharing. This feature is for Creative Cloud Enterprise customers. Through this, they can assign groups and distribution lists to SD from their organization address book. Then they can select these groups when inviting editors to cloud documents or providing access to private share links. Moving forward, last but not the least, the last new feature we have in Adobe MD February 2020 update is the Publish All Artwork. This feature allows you to publish all the artworks on your canvas to a shared link, whether they are wired together or not. But to do so, you will need to first unset a home artwork in prototype mode in order to publish all the artwork. Having said that, these are the all new updates of Adobe MD for February 2020. A smaller update but great new feature. Let me know what do you guys think about this new Adobe MD update in the comment section. In case if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and turn on the notification icon in order not to miss any future video of my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.